What's good, my people? I'm back again with another one. Just before I get into this, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the video. You know, join the Discord, all that good stuff. Let's get the views up, the numbers up, subscribers up. And let me not waffle, let's get straight into this one. So, for the second time on my channel, I'm reviewing a pair of Pradas. I absolutely love these Pradas, man. It's actually become my favorite designer shoe. I don't think there's a designer shoe at the moment that can compare to these, and we'll get straight into it in a second. So we got the purple-ish Prada box. It says Prada. Very simple. I like simple boxes, and I like boxes with lift-off lids. So Prada, plain, 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 plain. This is how designer boxes come. They'll only have information here, and the information here, it says Prada, size 9. It's got the color Blanco, group name Napa Sport B, all these codes and stuff, all this rubbish stuff, and a very bad picture of them. But let's get straight into them to see exactly what they are, because it's not helpful. We've got a few little labels from Prada that they add in. Yeah, it says it right there. It says shoes with sophisticated finished details, meticulously crafted in soft lambskin that has been tanned using traditional methods to accentuate its particular softness, to preserve the original quality of the product, buff with a soft duster, and keep away from sources of heat and damp. So basically, take care of your trainers. Then we've got a little one here, just telling you how to authenticate. The Prada group uses labels with passive RFID technology in order to guarantee the authenticity of the items purchased and improve customer care. The labels contain no personal data. Thank you very much for that, Prada. And I think it's in there or whatever. Not gonna lie, when you buy them directly from Prada, you know, you don't need to legit check them because it's directly from Prada, so you know, that's just a waste of time. And then we've got some white paper, and we're straight into that. So if you saw my previous Prada runners, you would have seen a black pair of runners. My previous video on the Prada runners, I had to get a white pair of runners. I really wanted a pair of white runners. These are kind of creamish off-white, but you know, I like the color a lot. I was kind of confused, which pair should I get, which brand. I looked at all brands. Literally, not gonna lie, I checked all the designer brands, high-end brands, and there was nothing wow that caught my eye. I shouted Prada and I said, what you got for me in white, you know, let me know. Then the same as my black pair, so I got the all black version, which I love. I'll be honest, I've actually destroyed them, so I need another pair. So if anyone wants to buy me a pair, please feel free. Let's just get straight into the colors. So the sole is all blacked out with the Prada logo blacked out. I really do like the fact that it is blacked out on the sole, and the reason being is when it's a white sneaker, the sole can get very dirty, can get a bit yellowed and stuff when you're walking around. But it being black, you know, that kind of eliminates that. So it's just the midsole that you need to really keep clean. So the midsole is all white, fresh white, and then it's got the Prada engraved. The upper is, it is like a creamy, slight off-white, very light beigey color. I did want white, but this was like the closest white they had that was leather. They've got loads of different colorways in these, or like styles similar to this, but the material and leather, they only had this. It was either this or the black pair. I've already got the black pair, and I wanted white anyway. So it's got that soft, this is amazing quality lambskin leather. Like, it's very soft. I'll be honest, it's very delicate. Like, you have to be careful with this. I'm definitely gonna look for like a coating or something, you know, to protect the shoes, so when you're walking around, keeps it, you know, protected. We've got the Prada, that is like metal into the Prada. Then we've got it's not separate, it's all like one piece, to be honest. All here, it's just stitches that separate the panels. Then we've got the toe box, same white smooth leather, all stitched in. This upper is obviously slightly, well, it is separate, the lace loops and stuff, very simple. And then the laces are those, I love these laces, man. I don't know why, I just love these laces. The flat laces, they're slightly bigger than other brands like Nike and stuff, but they're amazing. White, and then it's got Prada Milano on the tongue. That is like kind of embossed or like stamped in. And then on the inside again, we've got that kind of one piece. This can be a separate piece, but then, you know, it's all one. Leather. We've got a white inside like sock liner. But you know what's crazy though, yeah? These are about £800, £900, yeah? Made in Vietnam. So they are made in the same places that, you know, your Nikes are made, or your Pumas, etc. And they cost this much. Like, they'll say Italian fashion, this and that. Like, most of the time, don't believe it, don't go into the hype, because there's a lot of loopholes that these companies actually use. So they'll say that they're made in a certain country. Obviously Prada didn't lie, they said made in Vietnam, but I know other companies, not going to name anyone, because this is obviously all allegedly. They allegedly say that it's made in Italy, made in France, made in Paris, but what they do is they get the whole shoe made in Vietnam, Taiwan, etc. They will then put the insole in Italy themselves, put the insole in, put the laces in, and say made in Italy. So, you know, definitely don't believe what these brands have to say. Prada, thank you for not lying, and thank you for making a shoe that I really love, and, you know, taking a lot of money away from me, because, you know, they are quite expensive, they're not cheap by any means. And yeah, on this one, you still got the Prada tag. Like, I haven't worn them at all, man. I really want to wear them ASAP. So it's got that little tag. It was a bit looser, I just pulled it to make it tighter for some reason. And then it says Prada Milano, and then it says on that side, please note, we will only accept returns if this label remains attached to the product. So I can tell you, I'm keeping these. But yeah, let me know what you think of these, people. I know some people would prefer this to be white, but I don't mind if they release a pair with white as well on the sole, but the black works for me, man. I love them. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other high-end sneakers on foot and reviews, all that good stuff. Check out all the content. Click the bell icon. Let me know what you think. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. And most importantly, take care, my people.